German is the official language of 6 countries total, not just Germany. That's 6 countries full of people to meet and connect with, and for you to explore. Are you looking to take the first step to learning German but aren't sure where to get started? I put over a dozen German language programs to the test to help you find the best program for your learning style. Here are the best apps to learn German with in 2026. Before I start diving into my list, I'd like to preface this by telling you that each app I'll be talking about today has a different focus to their course and teaching methods. For you total beginners or those of you with little background knowledge, we found Rosetta Stone and Babbel to be really great programs for you. They're both approachable and do a great job of easing you into the language without being too overwhelming. There are 2 main takeaways from Rosetta Stone: their dynamic immersion teaching method and the extra resources that they provide. Rosetta Stone tries to replicate how you naturally learned your first language by limiting English instruction. Most exercises that you get through with Rosetta Stone are matching words or phrases to images to build associations in your brain between words and objects. The typical Rosetta Stone German lesson should take you no more than about 30 minutes to get through. Aside from your everyday lessons, Rosetta Stone provides supplemental resources and material like phrase books and live classes to aid your understanding through other teaching methods if matching isn't really your jam. Now, if you're looking for short drill-based lessons that you can finish in about 15 minutes, Babbel is a great choice for you. Now, Babbel lessons are structured into small segments that build on your introductory skills to help you meet an intermediate level of fluency. But a big plus for those of you that prefer more direct instruction is that Babbel layers in grammar and speaking practice into almost every single one of their exercises. So Babbel and Rosetta Stone are the 2 apps that we would recommend for you total beginners. Now, as far as cost is concerned, they're both pretty affordable. But Babbel is going to be the most budget-friendly at around $8 a month after discounts. They do also offer a lifetime access plan for a one-time purchase of about $300 MSRP. A Rosetta Stone monthly subscription is going to have you looking at about $20 a month or $400 MSRP for their lifetime plan. With either program's lifetime access plans, you will get access to every language that they offer, not just German. There's a bit of a price gap here, but both of these apps seem to always run some kind of special discount, so be sure to check out the description below. I'll keep that description updated with the latest promo codes that I can find. Rocket German is at the top of our list for anyone trying to learn German, especially if you're serious about fluency. Rocket's lessons are centered around audio. That way you're building your ear for the language and you get practice responding back in mock conversations. The program also has an excellent voice coach tool to give you feedback on your pronunciation. The ability to play back the recording of yourself with Rocket gives you a leg up because you can compare your pronunciation to how an actual native speaker speaks the language. The mock conversations and audio exercises that you get with Rocket are super useful because you aren't just listening to random words and phrases. You're actually building your understanding of how natives speak in a natural way. A host will break down these conversations for you so you totally understand any grammar rules being used or new material. You also get to see a transcript of the exercise displayed of what's being said in your audio lesson so you can follow along. Rocket Languages prices out their program by levels instead of monthly subscriptions. You can get each level for about $150 or all 3 levels for $450 MSRP. I know, it's a lot, but to lower these costs, you'll need a promo code. I'll have the description below updated with the latest promo codes that I can find out there. I often see levels 1 and 2 marked down to just $100 for both. Another program we recommend for those of you serious about becoming fluent in German is Pimsleur. Similar to Rocket, Pimsleur's lessons are also centered around audio. You'll be walked through a conversation in German by an English-speaking host, just like with Rocket, and you'll be prompted to speak. Pimsleur is a good option if you're looking for an immersive learning experience. Similar to Rosetta Stone, they are trying to mimic how you acquired your first language. They give you a basic understanding of the material, but they want you to work on building your understanding without relying on mental translations. Pimsleur lessons are lengthier than that of Babbel and Rosetta Stone's, but thanks to their helpful CarPlay integration, you can knock out lessons while you're commuting. These lessons will take you about 30 minutes to complete, so if you find yourself pressed for time or have a lengthy commute, being able to complete the audio portion on the go is a total game changer. There are also other reinforcement exercises that you'll work your way through after the audio portion so that you're being introduced to the material in different ways. For Pimsleur German, a subscription will cost you about $20 a month after discounts, or for just $1 more, you can get access to all the languages that Pimsleur has to offer at $21 a month. To get these prices, be sure to check that description. The last app I want to talk to you all about today is more of an honorable mention or tool than a standalone program, Lingopie. It's an excellent supplement to any language program to give learners an entertaining way to learn. That's because Lingopie is a video-on-demand platform that filters shows by your fluency level. While watching content, subtitles will be displayed below, one set in English and the other in German. You can click on any word in the subtitles at any point in time, and its definition or part of speech will be displayed for you. Lingopie creates a set of flashcards for you to review based on what you've watched and which words you've clicked on while watching a show. It's a productive way of entertaining yourself, and it doesn't hurt that a Lingopie subscription is really affordable. A Lingopie subscription will cost you about $7 a month after discounts. If you'd like to try it out before investing in it, they do offer a 7-day free trial. I'll have that down below in the description. I know, that was a lot to cover, so let's recap. What are the best German apps out in 2026? If you're just starting with little to no knowledge of German, we recommend Rosetta Stone or Babbel. If you're looking for an immersive learning experience that relies less on translations, we would point you in the direction of Rosetta Stone. The supplemental material they provide also helps add variety to your daily lessons. Now, for those of you looking for shorter drill-type lessons, we suggest Babbel. Its simple 15-minute lesson format packs in everything that you need to make progress in German to reach an intermediate level of fluency. Our top choice overall for anyone learning German, whether you're just starting out or trying to build your level of fluency, is Rocket Languages. The audio focus prioritizes building your understanding of German as it's naturally spoken. The speech practice that you get is thorough and even gives you direct grammar and cultural lessons without being boring. Pimsleur is our second choice for those looking to reach a high level of fluency. The audio exercises prove more immersive, and the ability to complete lessons on the go is a great plus for those of you that have busy schedules. Of course, any of these apps would benefit from the supplemental support of Lingopie. It's a nice way to entertain yourself that keeps learning fun and engaging. It's great for building your vocabulary and familiarizing yourself with how German is spoken in real-time situations. For a fully detailed breakdown of all of the features, pricing, and our hands-on experience with each of these apps, check out our full written review. All you gotta do to find that is Google Guide to Fluency, Best Apps to Learn German. By the way, we'll be giving away a free language learning subscription to one of you lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super easy to enter. All you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck, everyone.